goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side.
Hello guys, it's TNN, and today we're gonna review and have a look at an action camera. So if you're interested in purchasing this, link to buy will be down below in the description. Let's have a look at this camera. So it comes with a hard case, really strong case actually, this, which is awesome. We've got some straps here to mount it to your head, mount it to a wall. We've got the charging cable here, which is basically just a marker USB to USB charging cable, pretty much a basic cable. We've got an extra back just in case you do damage your waterproof casing back. It comes with an extra one, which is very nice. We've got some microfiber cleaning cloths so you can keep the lens clean and nice. That's awesome. What else do we have? We got the manual for the remote control, manual for the action camera. It is got Wi-Fi, it is 4K, and it also is waterproof because of the casing. We've got some more clips and mounts, various types of mounts here. Literally you have the whole set pretty much. This one here, and we've got the cable tie so you can tie it to the top. You can also get a free gift, so if you bought this here, just review it for them and you can redeem a free gift, which is an extra battery and also a charging dock with it as well. It does come with a USB plug to charge the actual camera. Also some more clamps and plugs and whatnot here, some sticky tabs so you can mount it to places. We also got a tripod mount here so you can mount it to a tripod. It's got tripod thread on there. Over here we have the actual battery, and here we have the actual camera. Let's pull this out. You know, the sponging on this isn't really that good, but the actual case itself is very strong. So this is the camera, this is the battery. I'm going to open it up. We're going to have a look at it in just a sec. So open it up together and let's put the actual battery in together as well. So here it comes with the waterproof case already fitted on here with a clip mount as well. To open up this, there will be some sort of function here, so lift up the top here and it unclips this. You can take out the camera from the mount. The mount does have really good sealing all around here to keep it waterproof, so that's awesome. And we've also got some protective films on here as well that we can just lift off and stick back down as well after. So that's awesome. It is all pretty much brand new as well, protective filming on the back as well. Let's put that to the side. Let's have a look at the actual camera itself. So the actual camera itself comes with protective films on there as well. We've got the button for the remote. You can see over here, remote control. And then we've also got buttons around here. Now the remote control is this. So it does come in the actual box itself. And you can take pictures, record with this remote control. So you can leave the camera mounted somewhere else and you can just control it from here, which I think is absolutely awesome. I really like this idea. Very cool. Now the camera doesn't come with an SD card, of course, but you can purchase an SD card of probably up to 64 gigs of memory, which is really nice. We also got a mini HDMI port over there, and also a micro USB port to charge it as well. On the top we have an LED indicator just to indicate whether it's powered on or powered off. And then we also got the power button as well, of course. On this side of here we've got the up and down select button, we've got the power on button, so this is to take pictures or to record. Then we've got the power on button and mode switching button, 4K Ultra HD, Wi-Fi symbol here, and at the bottom over here is where your battery goes. So you can see here that it already got one battery, so it does come with a spare battery, which I think is actually awesome. The batteries are actually very light. And let's see the power of this. These are 1050 mAh batteries, so they're quite decent sized batteries as well, not even bad. Let's go ahead and let's hopefully see that this battery does have some juice and we can power the camera on. Let's see if we can do that. Oh, made a noise. There you go. So it's got no SD card in there, of course, so it can't actually film anything, but it is a 12 megapixel wide camera. It is 4K and it does look very nice. I might take some videos, some pictures with this, and we'll definitely have a look at it as well. I might as well give my overall score. I'm looking at this right now. It is really nice, and it's quite easy to switch between emojis. You just press the button and you got continuous shot, then you got settings, video, and then back to camera, and you can connect it to your Wi-Fi. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection. Of course, if you do read through the manual on the book, let's have a look at the manual. Do have a look at the manual. There will be, of course, most probably an app. Most cameras do have an app, so there it is. Simply scan this, download the app. Literally, Android quad-core devices is this app over here. So you just scan this. It's called the Ed's iCam app. Scan that, connect it to the camera, and that's it. You're pretty much good to go. The SD card that you got to put in the actual camera has to be a class 10 SD card. So that is something to keep in mind of it. Use brand name memory cards. They do recommend that for the high quality videos. Now class 10 because it is 4K and it does need a really high quality SD card. Now if you see over here, there is some example of the type of SD card. 32 gigs would get you 60 minutes video in 4K, 120 minutes in 1080p 60 frames per second, and 240 minutes in 1080 frames per second. So a 32 gig SD card probably would be the best for this, especially if you're going to do a lot of 4K video and 4K filming. But other than that, this camera is really good. I'm going to give it a shot. If I do decide to film a bit, I will put it in the video. But other than that, the camera is really nice. It is really simple to use. And I'm just going to download the app now. We're going to give it a good roll. So I downloaded the app. It's actually quite simple to connect. The app is a little bit laggy. It does get a few issues with connection, so sometimes it does disconnect. Sometimes you do have to like download it again and re-download it, which is really annoying. But other than that, I mean, it's quite good. I mean, you get a live view from the camera onto your phone. So if you have an Android or iPhone, you can download the app, get a live view from it. You can take pictures from the app using the camera so remotely. You can also do live videos. You can change the settings on the camera all with the app. So you can change from 1080p to 720 or to 4K or anything like that. You can all do that through the app, which is really good. Just only thing is the app, the layout I don't think is really that great of the app. It is a little bit laggy and a bit weird with connection sometimes, but other than that, it's actually quite a good app. And you can also do editing straight from the app. So if you have a video recorded from your camera, you can edit it straight onto the app, which is really smart as well. Other than that, the camera's really good. The camera quality is it's nice. It is really basic. I've seen you know, pretty much all of them in action cameras. They look pretty much the same with video quality. Honestly, you don't see much of a difference. It's like they use the same lens or something, just create their own build, create their own app. Other than that, I mean, I think this is really cool. The button's also really awesome. If you do different presses, different connections, record, you can do continuous shot, you can do time lapse, which is really nice. Overall score, I give this camera for the price. I think it is really good, and what you get everything. I mean, you're good to go. With a GoPro, you're spending probably double the price you paid for this, and all you get is the camera. You don't even get a whole set. You have to pay even more money for the whole set. With this, it comes with a whole set, and the video quality is literally really good. It's just as good as a GoPro, and it does the exact same thing. So that's why, in my opinion, overall score 8 out of 10. I would definitely give it 10 out of 10 if the app was good, but my alarm clock literally just went off, meaning that it's probably time to cut the video here anyway. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah.